Can I help you?
I want to carry this thing home. I'm looking for someone that can carry it for me. I'll present you. Are you carrying it?
You tell me, oh. Let me help you.
Don't worry, don't worry. Put your hand. Is it easy?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, it's okay. Yes. The thing is very heavy, you see. From the time that you carry, yes, now. That's why I was looking for someone that will come and carry it for me. But I did not saw. But as I saw you now, it's good that you will carry it for me. Small, so that those they are very expensive. I bought everything inside here. They are very expensive. That is 2 million naira. The place that we are going is very close for you. It's not far. Yeah? Don't worry. We'll take you there safe.
That's for me now.
Be fast now. Is it not your business? Is it not your business? You can carry this thing very well. Now, can't you carry it? Yeah? You can carry it. It is not loaded. It's very easy. Yeah?
Have we not reached there yet?
No, we are still heading to that place.
Is it me?
We are dozen to went. Just quiet now. It's just this place. It's not very far from here. It's part of the business now. You have to walk it. Walk it. It's your money. You want to shop alone and die alone, Nabi.
Okay.
Let's just walk to that side. We are just close. We'll still reach here.
Are we not there yet?
No, it's just this place. It's very close here. Let us went.
I'm going to pay me big money for this distance that we are walking.
Children of nowadays, they too like money. They cannot just for one day reason with their elders. They want to be taking money up and down like thieves.
Okay now. See now. Since 2 days we are walking the road.
We are almost there. Reduce, we will reach railway. Yes, this is our side now. We have reached. We have reached. We have reached in here. You have tried very good. Drop it down. Drop it. You have thrown.
Finally, God help me, let this man give me 5,000.
Wait, let me go and brought your money for you. Let me brought your money. You have tried very well for me.
Okay, sir.
You're a very good boy.
Okay.
You're a very good boy.
Okay.
I'll brought your money for you. Yeah?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, you played very well. Take.
God. Oh my Johnny. Oh 5,000. This must be 5,000 or 1,000. It's 50 naira. Oluwa. Hey. Yay.
What do we hear of this? You can be prosecuted for that.
Pray for me very well. Next time, if you carry for me, I'm going to give you 60 naira. Yeah? You try for me. It's not easy these days. Money is not easy to come by. You try. The long journey is too much. Thank you. Yeah?
But we can do it.